Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S AMB 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower and loaded with features. This sleek black estate-yacht Jeep boasts a luxurious interior with ambient lighting, Bluetooth, and rear heater controls. Safety is a priority with multiple airbags, parking assistance, collision avoidance braking, and more. Plus, enjoy convenience features like a powertrain warranty, stop-start system, and trailer stability program. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. For more information on this top-of-the-line SUV, call us or visit spiritskoda.ie today.